gonna to teach you a new technique. This is called the heart technique. We can build a heart also with dominoes, but for that first we keep some dominoes here, and then we keep 2 dominoes, and then we are gonna to keep these 2. We are going to angle these 2. And then we are going to make it like this. We are going to turn, keep on turning, and when you meet, and you have to meet it here. You have to come closer and just get the point. So we keep on building until unless we come here. And then we keep these 2 dominoes here. And then we keep a domino here. And then we can build a normal domino line. So here is the ready heart. Let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.